Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Caribbean Airlines, Cargo, and the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA, have entered a partnership to support local exports. In a release today, the JMEA says as part of the agreement, its members will benefit from Caribbean Airlines cargo discounts. They will also be able to pay for shipments quoted in Jamaican dollars and receive cargo insurance and benefit from a loyalty program. The partnership also aims to explore underserved air freight routes in the region and new global markets. The arrangement is expected to reduce barriers to trade for small and medium-sized enterprises. Proven Investments has sold its 20% shareholding in Dream Entertainment Limited. Proven entered an agreement on July 9 to sell the shares to Yes Aya Limited, a Jamaican company. Now, in a notice posted on the Jamaica Stock Exchange website, Proven said the transaction has now been completed. Yes Aya's directors and principals are Ryan Reid, Michael Banbury, and Sean Shelton. And Proven Investments earned $1.5 million profit for the April to June quarter. That was a 10% improvement over last year's results. Revenues for the period were also up, amounting to $6.5 million compared to $5.2 million during the April to June period last year. Proven Investments says it plans to continue diversification. It's anticipating the acquisition of Heritage Education Funds and Fidelity Bank Cayman. The transactions are awaiting regulatory approval. $151.06 is the average selling rate for the U.S. currency. The Canadian dollar is trading at $120.26, the pound for $208.76, and the euro for $179.81. Jamaica's equities market experienced growth during the April to June quarter relative to the previous 3 months. The Bank of Jamaica's quarterly monetary policy report shows that the main market index grew by 7.8%. There was a 0.2% growth during the same period in 2020. The junior market improved by 13% versus a 2% decline, that is, reported for January to March. The report says vaccination and the less restrictive curfew measures during the April to June quarter largely influenced investor confidence. Now today, the JSE index declined by 135 points, while the junior market index advanced by 28 points. Among today's winners were JMB Group 7.15% cumulative redeemable preference shares, Paramount Trading Jamaica, Radio Jamaica, Siboney Group, and 1834 Investments. On the losing side were Jamaica Producers, Proven Investments US dollar shares, Stationery and Office Supplies Limited, Sterling Investments, and Caribbean Assurance Brokers. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Regional and international news are up next. Stay with us.